50 years ago, on a campus better known for engineering breakthroughs, a quiet experiment began. Could the same analytical rigor that builds machines also build managers? Today, that experiment has a name: the Department of Management Sciences at IIT Kanpur. This is the story of how an idea became an institution and where it goes next. The journey began in 1974 with a pioneering master's degree program in industrial engineering and management, the first in the country to formally fuse engineering training with management thinking. The PhD program followed in 1975. And in 1988, IME evolved into a full-fledged Department of Industrial and Management Engineering. The MBA program was launched in 2001, followed by VLFM in 2006, 4 e-masters programs in 2021, and the joint degree program in 2022. Across 5 decades, the department has evolved with purpose, strengthening academic rigor while retaining its engineering and analytical DNA. Then, in 2023, a deliberate choice, the department was rechristened to the Department of Management Sciences. The new name signaled a broader vision: business, public policy, and technology woven together. In 2025, we crossed 50 years. 50 years that took us from a single interdisciplinary idea to 5 programs, 5 research centers and labs, and an alumni network nearly 3,000 strong. The vision is still expanding, and the proposal is in place to accommodate new UG and PG innovative and future programs. 4 programs, 1 design philosophy: depth where it matters, breadth where it counts. The 2-year MBA blends quantitative rigor with industry immersion. The MTech in Industrial and Management Engineering trains analytical leaders for operations-heavy sectors. The PhD program drives original research. The e-masters reaches working professionals at scale. 27 faculty members, every one of them a PhD from a leading global or Indian institution. And the cohort has nearly doubled since 2023. Their work spans the full management spectrum: finance and corporate governance, supply chains and operations, marketing and consumer analytics, organizational behavior, information systems, and a deep, distinctive bench in energy and regulatory economics. The department is enriched by 5 distinguished visiting faculty members who are esteemed academic leaders and provide mentorship to our students and faculty members. They also contribute to academic initiatives and provide valuable guidance in supervisory and advisory roles. 5 specialized centers and facilities anchor this research ecosystem: the Syndicate Bank Entrepreneurship Research and Training Center, the Energy Analytics Lab, the Center for Energy Regulation, the Smart Systems and Operations Lab, the High-Resolution Drone Videos and Computational Simulation Facility, with a new IIT Kanpur Grant Thornton Bharat Financial Research Center on the way.
Center for Energy Regulation at Department of Management Sciences is a unique institutional initiative. We regularly engage in regulatory and policy debate related to the power sector, the renewable energy sector across the country. We look at the emerging frontline research problems where the students find the opportunity to engage in real-life problems which have direct regulatory and policy relevance.
At DoMS IIT Kanpur, the biggest strength is the interdisciplinary exposure which the researcher scholar gets. We get to collaborate with experts from various departments such as social sciences, engineering, and computer science.
The future of any business is in the intelligent automation. Digital and sustainable supply chain require advances in management, expertise in AI, optimization. DoMS IIT Kanpur bring these disciplines together to make the better solution with real-life impact.
DoMS is unique because it focuses on learning by doing. The 1-year capstone project that focuses on real-life industry problem, and the IIT Kanpur startup ecosystem that focuses more on innovation. So together, it is not only the classroom learning, but implementing it in real life.
This department has the potential to really contribute towards some of the challenges that India is facing, especially in this technological management area. And also, I think the students also, they'll play a critical role.
What makes DoMS different is what made it possible in the first place. Every student studies management inside an IIT. That means access to the deep tech labs, the AI and robotics groups, the startup ecosystem of SIIC and TKIC, the policy networks of an institute of national importance. Our MBAs don't just learn about disruption, they live next door to it. The master's cohort that walks in each August is selected, balanced across engineering and non-engineering backgrounds, and increasingly diverse in work experience and gender. For the 2026 intake, the master's batch returns to an 88-student cohort, a deliberate, measured expansion that protects the faculty-to-student ratio our pedagogy depends on. The market vote has been emphatic. The master's program has delivered 100% placement year after year, including for the 2023-2025 batch, with an average package of 17.2 lakhs and a highest of 36 lakhs. Recruiters return because the product is consistent, analytically deep, decision-ready, and engineering fluent. Consulting, BFSI, product management, analytics, operations, and energy. DoMS. Graduates show up where the hard problems are. 2,717 alumni. In boardrooms, in founder seats, in policy rooms, in classrooms. Faculty recognition has followed the work. Excellence in Teaching Awards for Professors Anup Singh, Subhankar Mukherjee and Suman Saurabh, editorial board appointments at ABDCA, Ranked and other international journals. Research grants and fellowships for our PhD scholars at IPCC, ETH Zurich, IIASA, and POMSES India. The signal is consistent. The quality is being seen. Honesty is part of the rigor. Between 2023 and 2026, faculty strength doubled, the MBA, flagship scaled up and recalibrated, and PhD intake more than tripled. That is rare in Indian management education. And in the short run, it creates a ranking arithmetic problem because metrics like research per faculty divide a fixed numerator by a fast-growing denominator. Our internal modeling shows the gap is mechanical, not academic, and converges by 2027. By 2030, DoMS aims to lift its NERF management standing meaningfully within the top tier, enter the QS business and management subject ranking, deepen research output per faculty as the new hires hit their 3-year publication horizon, and grow the international footprint through joint degrees, visiting faculty, and global research collaborations. The architecture is in place. The numbers will follow. Where will the next decade's reputation be built? 3 places. Energy and climate, where the Center for Energy Regulation already shapes national conversations. Deep tech and fintech, where engineering proximity is our natural advantage. And public policy and regulation, where we have always punched above our weight. That is where DoMS will plant its flag. 50 years ago, someone asked whether the analytical mind of an engineer could also lead. The answer is on every wall of this department, in every alumnus, in every paper we publish, in every cohort that walks out. The work continues. Join us.